Lockheed Martin Corporation stands as a global leader in the aerospace and defense industry, offering a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking stability, growth, and consistent returns. With its rich history, cutting-edge product portfolio, impressive financial performance, and commitment to shareholder value, Lockheed Martin has carved out a unique position in the market. This video explores the company's history, leadership, product offerings, financial metrics, and strengths and weaknesses to provide a detailed analysis of its stock as an investment. Consider this a leaping board for you to do your own research and not investment advice. Lockheed Martin's roots stretch back to the early 20th century, with the founding of the Lockheed Corporation in 1912 and Martin Marietta in 1961. The two companies operated independently for decades, each making significant contributions to aviation and aerospace. Lockheed was instrumental in developing advanced aircraft, while Martin Marietta excelled in missile systems and space exploration. The two companies merged in 1995, creating Lockheed Martin Corporation, a powerhouse that combined their expertise and expanded their capabilities across the aerospace and defense sectors. Over the years, Lockheed Martin has continued to grow through strategic acquisitions, such as its 2015 purchase of Sikorsky Aircraft, a move that solidified its dominance in helicopter manufacturing. This rich history of innovation and strategic growth has cemented Lockheed Martin's status as a cornerstone of the global defense industry. Currently, Lockheed Martin is led by James D. Taiclet, who assumed the roles of Chairman, President, and CEO in June 2020. Taiclet brings a wealth of experience to the position, having previously served as the CEO of American Tower Corporation. His background also includes service as a U.S. Air Force officer and pilot, giving him a deep understanding of the aerospace and defense sectors. Under Taiclet's leadership, Lockheed Martin has continued to push the boundaries of technology while maintaining its reputation as a reliable partner for governments and militaries around the world. Taiclet's strategic focus on innovation and operational excellence ensures that the company remains at the forefront of the industry. Lockheed Martin's product portfolio is as diverse as it is advanced, encompassing a wide range of offerings across the aerospace and defense spectrum. In the aeronautics sector, the company is best known for its iconic military aircraft, including the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet renowned for its stealth capabilities and advanced avionics. Other notable aircraft include the F-22 Raptor, a highly maneuverable stealth fighter, and the C-130 Hercules, a versatile transport aircraft used in military and humanitarian missions worldwide. Beyond aircraft, Lockheed Martin excels in missile systems, producing advanced technologies like the Patriot Advanced Capability 3 missiles, which are vital to modern defense strategies. The company also leads in rotary systems, manufacturing the renowned UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter through its Sikorsky division. Additionally, Lockheed Martin's Space Systems division plays a critical role in satellite development, space exploration, and strategic missile systems, contributing to both defense and civilian applications. Financially, Lockheed Martin has demonstrated remarkable stability and growth, making it a reliable choice for investors. In 2023, the company reported net sales of $67.6 billion, a 2% increase from the previous year, reflecting steady expansion. This growth is underpinned by a robust profit margin, which stood at 9.36% as of September 30th, 2024. These margins highlight the company's ability to efficiently manage costs while delivering value to its shareholders. Lockheed Martin also boasts an impressive dividend yield of approximately 2.55%, coupled with a 22-year streak of consecutive dividend increases. This consistency underscores the company's commitment to rewarding its shareholders and reflects its financial health. Over the past 5 years, Lockheed Martin has shown strong growth, with its dividend increasing by an average of 7.43% annually over the last 3 years. These metrics make Lockheed Martin an attractive choice for income-focused investors who value stability and long-term growth. Lockheed Martin's strengths are numerous and form the foundation of its success. The company's diversified product portfolio, ensures that it is not overly reliant on a single revenue stream. With offerings spanning military aircraft, missile systems, helicopters, and space technologies, Lockheed Martin has positioned itself as a one-stop shop for defense and aerospace solutions. This diversification enhances its financial resilience, allowing it to weather market fluctuations and shifts in demand. Furthermore, the company's strong backlog, which reached a record $160.6 billion in 2023, provides a clear indicator of sustained demand for its products. This backlog represents future revenue and reinforces the company's long-term stability. Another key strength is Lockheed Martin's leadership in technological innovation. In 2023, the company invested $1.5 billion in research and development, underscoring its commitment to staying at the forefront of the industry. This focus on innovation has allowed Lockheed Martin to consistently deliver cutting-edge solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers. Additionally, the company's close ties to the U.S. government, which accounts for a significant portion of its revenue, provide a stable and reliable source of income. Long-term government contracts not only ensure financial stability, but also position Lockheed Martin as a trusted partner in national defense. However, like any company, Lockheed Martin faces its share of challenges. One of the most significant is its dependence on government spending. While its strong relationship with the U.S. government is an asset, it also makes the company vulnerable to changes in defense budgets and political priorities. A shift in policy or a reduction in military spending could negatively impact Lockheed Martin's revenue. Additionally, the complexity of the company's programs, such as the F-35, has occasionally led to delays and cost overruns. These issues can strain relationships with customers and affect profitability. Regulatory scrutiny is another challenge. As a major defense contractor, Lockheed Martin operates in a highly regulated environment. Compliance with these regulations can be costly and time-consuming, and any misstep could result in legal challenges or reputational damage. The company also faces intense competition from other defense contractors, both domestically and internationally. Rivals like Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and Raytheon Technologies are continually advancing their technologies, necessitating ongoing investment from Lockheed Martin to maintain its competitive edge. The importance of Lockheed Martin to national security is underscored by its deep integration with the U.S. Department of Defense and other government agencies. The company is responsible for delivering key systems that form the backbone of U.S. military operations, from air superiority and ground support to naval and space-based defense. This makes Lockheed Martin not only a supplier, but also a strategic partner in the defense ecosystem, working closely with the government to develop and deploy technologies that address evolving threats. Beyond financial support, the U.S. government actively invests in Lockheed Martin's ability to innovate. The company receives substantial funding for research and development projects aimed at advancing technologies in areas like hypersonics, artificial intelligence, and space exploration. This partnership not only ensures that the U.S. military stays ahead of potential adversaries, but also provides Lockheed Martin with the resources needed to remain at the cutting edge of defense technology.